This tutorial is about how to edit buttons and where they point on your site. So I'm going to go to the page that I want to change something on, and I'm going to go below this blue horizontal line because that's the meat and potatoes of my page. And then we have these buttons here. Anything that says go in red, and then this is what it actually says on the button. So I'm going to hover over the one I want to edit. I'm going to click the green pencil. And then this is the text that appears on the button. If I want to change that, I would do it here. And if I wanted to send it to a different page on my site, say I had one page and now I've just created another page. Say I created a about page, and this was a short bio, and now I have an expanded bio. So I would, let me go back. So then So if I wanted to swap out the text or point this button to a different place, say this is my bio, and now let's say I created an about page, and I want to have this read more button take me to the new about page I just created. So I'm going to hover over this, and I'm going to click on the green pencil, and then I'm going to change the text if I want it to read something else. I mean, read more still makes sense if I'm pointing to an about page. Then I'm going to click on this button right below it. This is select URL. Click on that. Then I'm going to choose about page. And that's going, and then I click set link. And once I click set link, then I'm going to click save changes. And then I'm going to click the blue publish button. Once I click the blue publish button, if I go to my site and I click the read more, it's now going to take me to the new page that I've created.